This is going to be the first test of the new pistol range. We've only got one target set up right now. I'm working on it. Just going to make sure that the ricochet is okay and that it goes where it's supposed to. I've got 5 shots in the Webley Mark 6, and I'm just going to take a couple of initial shots and see how it works. All right, and we're empty. I'm just going to go take a look at it. Okay, so all the shots impacted on that 1-inch steel plate. Doesn't look like it did any damage to it. So it's kind of wobbling a little side to side, so I hadn't even put a second chain on it, so we'll work on that. And thanks for watching, and we're going to have a lot more videos now as we build out this pistol range. Right now I've got about 25 steel plates to put out, and I'm going to be working on that over the next couple days and bringing you a whole bunch of shooting videos.